Here is the Nissan Qashqai. Let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, is a secondary hood release lever, the yellow one. Yep. Put two fingers in there and then push it up. And while it's pushed up, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod from there. Put it right over there in that slot. And then let it go. And now the hood is secure. That is good. Let's start with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it is you go behind it. That's the bulb holder with the gray handle, and you can easily access it. As you can see, all you have to do is just grab it and then twist it left to loosen it. Left, and that's it. Now it's loose, and now you can get it out. But you cannot get it out all the way because there's like a wire holding it. But you can sort of maneuver it around so you have easier access to the bulb. There you go. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and there it is. The bulb size is 7440A. A is for the amber color. Check the link in description or the info card on the top to buy it from Amazon. Get the new bulb and then push it back in place to secure it. That's good. And now let's put the bulb holder back in the light. Now when you're doing so, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it aligns and just drops in. So be patient with it. It's going to take a few seconds. See, right now it's not going in, so do some twisting and turning before it goes in like this. That's good. And now you just have to twist it right to lock it in place just a little bit, and that's enough. Now let's go on to the driver's side. Same idea. That's the bulb, but we need to get this black air intake plastic piece out of the way to access the bulb over here. There are two clips in the front. I'm missing those clips, and there's a 10mm bolt over there that we need to get out. Again, you'll need to get a screwdriver to get the clips out. I don't have it. I wish I had it so I could show it to you. After you get the clips out, let's get the 10mm socket ratchet combination and loosen that bolt and get it out all the way. And now the one plastic clip, just lift it up from the bottom, and that's going to come undone. Now it's just as easy to access it as the passenger side. That's the bulb holder. Just twist it left and out it comes. You can maneuver this around as well. Get the bulb out. Same bulb, 7440A. Get the new bulb and push it back in to secure it in place, and that is good. Now let's put this back in the light. Again, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. At that point, just twist it right a little bit to lock it, and you are done. Now let's put that plastic piece back in place. The way to do this easily is just get it in place, right? Even if it doesn't clip over there in the back, just get it in place, get the bolt, and put the bolt in through the plastic piece and turn it right a few times. This is going to align those two pieces properly. Now you can just press them together, sort of sandwich them together, and that's going to help you to clip them together. Yeah, the back clip over there. Good. Now let's tighten that bolt down all the way. And now in your case, you'll also have to put those two clips back on. I don't have the clips, unfortunately. Now let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, and the driver's side is working, and the passenger side is working as well, and that's it. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get the rod out of that slot. Put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.